Well, hello everyone. Right now, this is the 2017 Buick Enclave. Get LED headlights, LED fog lights, get your Buick grill right here. Get LED turn signal indicators. Gas cap takes gasoline. LED tail lights. Get parking sensors. This one's a all-wheel drive. You also get blind spot monitoring. Here's what the key looked like. All four of your windows are automatic, lock, unlock, window lock, your mirror controls. Get your Bose audio system. Get a driver power seat. Power lumbar. Has 46,000 miles. Starts up perfect. Right here is your light controls. Right here you get an air vent. Over here is your wiper controls. Get your cruise control, heating steering wheel, and right here is your radio controls. Here's what the gauges look like. Get two air vents with a clock. Right here is your navigation screen, your console, home, now playing, navigation, destination, phone, weather, traffic, settings, and tune. All your different apps right here. Radio, seek, track, back, destination, navigation. Right here is your safety controls, hazards. Get climate control. Get heated seats for both driver and passenger side. Right here's your rear wiper control. TC off, your towing package, and your power tailgate off. Get storage, USB port, and a power outlet. Right here's the shifter. Get two cup holders. Storage. Storage in here. Get auto dimming rearview mirror. Right here is your light controls, garage home link, and right here is your sunroof controls, which this one has a sunroof. And it's one touch automatic. And the seats are leather. They're very comfortable. They're perforated leather, and they're heated seats. Go ahead, get out of this one. Turn on the headlights, hazards, and pop out the hood right here. Get a cup holder in here, storage. Right here is where you can fold the seat. As you can see, I got plenty of good leg room. Right here is your climate controls, storage, good power outlet with 2 USB ports, light. Right here is your air vent. You also get a sunroof for the rear passengers. And go ahead, since this one has a third row seat, go ahead, hop in to the third row seat. Get storage and a cup holder. Get an air vent, hooks. Storage. You get a power outlet. Right here's where you can fold the seats down. And it's easy to come back up with only one hand. Go ahead and show you guys how to fold the seat. Just pull on this. Actually, you do this. There you go. Get passenger power seat with power lumbar. Storage. You get your owner's furniture and other stuff. I'm not sure how to open this hood. Go ahead, turn it off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.